Hi everyone, this is Susan Ashley from txweaver.com. Because of the pandemic, I can't speak to you about my work at an art show, I thought I'd make some videos where I explain and introduce each piece that I have for sale on my Etsy site. So this first piece is my item 1004. It's a gourd that was cut and stained on the outside with alcohol ink and then painted on the inside with spruce green acrylic paint. On the rim I have coiled pine needles that have been partially dyed the same color green using matching green Irish wax linen thread. I took some of the coils and wove them under and around the antler on the base, and then also used leather straps to attach that coiling to the antler. This is a signed and dated, a one-of-a-kind piece. It's kind of an unusual piece, but I hope you like it.